Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to embark on your creative journey? Today, I will show you how to turn your sketch into a stunning image with OpenArt. So, let's dive right into it. First, open your web browser and type openart.ai. And if you are new here, no worries. There is a video link below to guide you through the account setup. If you already have an account, log in to access your dashboard. Now, click on Sketch to Image. On the left side, click or drop an image to upload. You can also change the style by scrolling down a bit. After uploading your sketch and selecting the style, simply click on Create. And lo and behold, your sketch has been magically transformed into a stunning image. You can then click on the generated image to see it more clearly. Turning sketches to images on OpenArt is as easy as that. Unlock your creative potential and bring your ideas to life. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.